Welcome to Boulders and Brews, an all-inclusive bouldering gym nestled in the heart of Fayetteville, Arkansas on Dixon Street. We have one vision: to provide a premier indoor rock climbing facility that embodies the climbing atmosphere with an open, welcoming environment for new climbers, as well as providing a training space for more seasoned climbers. We are going to review our gym rules to help you have a fun and safe time. After watching this video, please complete our waiver and check in with the front desk to start. You must know that there are many inherent risks when bouldering. Take a look at our posted signs throughout the gym for guidance on our rules. Please ask someone who works at Boulders and Brews, who we'll refer to in this video as B&B Crew, if you have any questions when climbing. Children under the age of 16 must be accompanied and supervised by an adult who is 18 or older at all times. Adults of any children left unattended will be warned and potentially asked to leave. Children between 5 and 12 must pass a bouldering safety test, which includes demonstrating how to properly fall from the top of a problem while being monitored by a B&B crew. Children under 5 are not allowed to climb on the walls and must be off the mats. They also must be accompanied and supervised by an adult who is 18 or older at all times. Make sure you use climbing shoes when climbing on the walls. Street shoes or bare feet are not allowed on the walls. This is to ensure our walls are kept clean. If you plan to climb and don't have your own climbing shoes, you will need to rent climbing shoes from us. Ask a B&B crew for assistance. No food, drinks, or belongings on the mats. No cups with straw lids or even closed container drinks are allowed on the mat. We recommend storing your personal belongings in a locker in the restroom or in one of the cubbies in the gym. Remove anything from your body that can get in the way, like large jewelry or phones when climbing. Holds can spin or break. If that happens, stop climbing and tell a B&B crew immediately. Don't try and fix it yourself. Don't top out or climb over the wall. When you are climbing, plan your route and be aware of all surroundings. You may climb however you like, but here's the gym recommendation of how to climb. There will be 2 color tags on 1 or 2 holds to indicate where to put your hands on the starting holds. 2 grading tags on 2 different holds means that in order to start the problem, you must use both holds. If there's 2 grading tags on 1 hold, that means that both hands must be on 1 hold to start the problem. Look for the finish tag to know when the problem ends. All holds on a route are available for hands and feet. A problem's level of difficulty is indicated by the color of the grading tags, not by the color of holds. White tags will be the easiest and will increase in difficulty to black, which will be the hardest. Look for grading scale signs around the gym to assist you in determining what grade a problem is. There will also be grading tags with QR codes that are designed for you and your peers to submit a grade so you can see what the community thinks a problem is graded. There are padded mats to help you absorb impact, but injuries can still occur and can be severe. All falls are ground falls. There is no rope system to catch you. When walking on the mats, look up to make sure you aren't walking under a climber on the wall, as they may fall at any time. No walking under the roof section. Please walk around instead. No horseplay or running on the mats. Before getting on the wall, look left and right to make sure your problem doesn't cross under a climber's problem who's already on the wall. When climbing down, use the designated holds and down climb rather than dropping off if possible. If you need to fall, look below to make sure the mat is clear and remember to use proper falling technique. Let's quickly go over how to properly fall. Prepare your body for a fall by relaxing. The tenser you are, the more vulnerable you are to injury. First, widen your feet and bend your knees. Resist the urge to stick your landing or lock your knees, as that can increase your chance of injury. Second, tuck your head and limbs closer to your body to avoid hyperextending your arms. Lastly, roll onto your back or on your side to disperse the impact of your fall onto the mats. Practice falling by starting a few feet above the mat and increase your fall height until you're comfortable falling from the top. For more information on falling, please ask a B&B crew. Please know spotting is not provided or required. If spotting, make sure to use proper technique and understand safety is not guaranteed for the spotter or climber. We take pride in being the first climbing gym in Arkansas to bring adjustable kilter and spray boards to our climbing community. For more instructions on how to operate the boards or connect your phone to the kilter board system, please look for and read the instructions on the adjustment box. Standard bathroom etiquette is to not wear your climbing shoes in the restrooms, and while you're in there, remember to check out our saunas. We understand that items get misplaced all the time. Our lost and found policy is after 2 weeks, if the item does not get claimed, they will find a new home. When using the fitness room in the basement, follow manufacturer's instructions for use of equipment or seek qualified instruction. Fitness room is only allowed for those 16 years and older. Fitness and yoga classes are hosted in the basement, and you can partake in these classes, but you will not be able to use the weights when classes are in session. Remember, climbing is inherently dangerous and can lead to injury. No arguing or debating with B&B crew in regard to safety issues. Now you may complete our waiver and check in with the front desk.